Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your notification sound on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first gonna go to this option called a settings app and go back again, and you're simply gonna find this option called sounds and haptics. Go ahead, tap on it. Here in the section you can find the volume of your sound, the notification sounds, and you can set this a ringtone option just given over here. If you tap on it, you will find this all kinds of option. You're gonna go ahead, choose any of the one. You can simply tap on this, and then that particular ringtone will be selected with that blue tick, as you can see over here, and then you can go back and then you will find that particular ringtone set over there just like that. You can just do it. You can again go to this text tone, and also you can change it according to you, and you can change the volume of it as well on from the top. So that is how you can simply change it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.